How to contact a seller on eBay. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Vipin Basnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily contact a seller on eBay. Now first, what you want to do is you want to head into your browser on any of your device and you want to search in for ebay.com. You can see there on the screen ebay.com. You want to simply search in for it and you want to head into the official web page on eBay. Now once here, you want to make sure you're logged into your account. Now to log in, you can tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen here, and once you're here, you will be able to log in. Now here, what you want to do is, in order to message a seller, right, you want to contact a seller, you want to head into a product that you want to contact the seller of. Now once you open up the product, if you scroll down below here under shipping and returns here, scroll down and you can see shop with confidence, and you can see call the seller. If you like to speak directly to the seller, we have verified the number, so there is the number option. You can simply go ahead and you can simply contact them through this number. So this is the only way you can message a seller. Now you cannot message them, but you can contact them directly. So this way you can contact seller on eBay. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.